Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Retrospec brand, their Cricket Baby Walker balance bike with 4 wheels. It's great for children between 1 and 2 years old. It comes in 6 different beautiful colors. This is the blush, which is like a pink color. It's excellent customer ratings. And I found this by doing some searches, and it's recommended by top pediatricians. Comes 95% assembled straight out of the box. So what's nice about this is when children are 1 year old or 1.5, 2, they want to start walking, they want to start practicing balancing. This is perfect for that. So it was basically assembled. All you had to do was put that section into there and tighten one of the bolts with an included tool. And they do show you how to do that. There's a little instruction sheet right there. It's very simple. Now this is just really cute. Let's go over some of the features of this. It has a rubberized handle on the top. They put a nice thick rubber on there. And they limit the amount of radius turn on here so that it can't tip over. The front wheels, if you notice, they're wider than the back wheels, and they did it on purpose. This is how you're learning balance, so that the back can tip a little easier, and they have to use balance to control it. The wheels are a hard rubberized plastic, so if you're going on gravel outdoors, make sure you clear that off before you bring it back in the house if you have hardwood floors. But for the most part, this is not going to pick up any debris because it's this hardened material. So this can be used indoors or outdoors. And just look how cute this banana seat is, which were popular when I was a teenager. So this is just amazing. Look at the yellow color, and it's very solid. This looks like it's aluminum piece right here with aluminum weld. Very, very high quality product. I'm impressed with it. So I'm going to be giving this to one of my nieces. She's actually 1 year old, and she's going to love it. Because it's just, I mean, just look how adorable this thing is. I mean, when I opened this thing up and put it together, I showed my wife, and we just couldn't believe how cute this thing really was. And you know, it's so small, you could just imagine a 1 year old on it having a blast with it because of the size of it. So, what do I think of this Retrospec brand, this Cricket Baby Walker balance bike? I love this product, and I'm sure my nephew is going to love it. We're going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.